Hello everyone, today I have this Rotary Cultivator by CKLT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, we get a bag with a manual, tools and screws, rotary blades, and 4 stainless steel poles. This is everything you get in the box. Right out of the box, you can tell it's built to last, and putting it together is super easy. It only takes a couple of minutes. The blades are made of premium spring steel, strong, flexible, and resistant to bending, even when you're working on tough, compact soil. The multi-angled, star-shaped tines are super sharp and dig deep, making it easy to loosen dirt, mix in fertilizer, or prep your beds for planting. One feature I really like is the adjustable stainless steel handle. It has an ergonomic rubber handle, and it extends all the way up to 66 inches, so you can work comfortably without crouching or straining your back. It weighs only about 4 pounds, so it's easy to carry around and maneuver, even in tight spaces or around garden borders. This tool is manual, which means no gas, no cords, and no noise. Just simple, effective gardening that's safe for the environment. And perfect if you've got kids or pets playing nearby. If you love gardening and want a durable, versatile tool that gets the job done, this CKLT Rotary Cultivator is 100% worth it. It's strong, comfortable to use, and easy to store. So check it out. You'll be glad you did.